Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to transfer USDT from your Defi wallet to Crypto.com in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know USDT is a stablecoin that helps keep your funds steady amid market volatility. This process is straightforward, but staying secure is key, especially with evolving tech in 2025. Let's dive right in. First things first. Make sure you have a Defi wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet set up, and your Crypto.com account is verified and funded. USDT transfers typically use networks like Ethereum or Tron, so double-check compatibility to avoid any fees or failed transactions. Step 1. Open your Defi wallet app or extension. Navigate to the USDT asset in your wallet. It's usually listed under Tokens. Hit the Send or Transfer button. Now, enter your Crypto.com wallet address. Pro tip: always copy and paste the address directly from the Crypto.com app to prevent typos, which could send your funds into the void. Step 2. Select the right network. In 2025, Crypto.com supports multiple chains, so match it with your USDT's network. Ethereum is common, but Tron might be faster and cheaper. Enter the amount you want to transfer, and don't forget to check the gas fees or network costs beforehand. Step 3. Review and confirm the transaction. You'll see a summary of the details. Double-check everything. Once you're good, hit confirm. This might require a signature with your wallet's private key, so keep that secure. After the transfer, head over to your Crypto.com app. Give it a minute or two for the funds to show up, as blockchain confirmations can vary. If it doesn't appear, check your transaction history on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. One last thing. Always use two-factor authentication and be wary of phishing scams. Crypto is exciting, but safety comes first. There you have it. That's how you transfer USDT in 2025. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.